It's a 2016 BMW 3 Series. Epitomizing high performance, legendary design, and luxury, the iconic 3 Series serves as the benchmark of the segment it invented. 2016s received mild exterior styling updates, interior trim enhancements, and tweaks to the suspension and steering for better handling precision. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: auto-dimming rearview mirror, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual-zone climate control, external memory control, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, driver memory seats, Bluetooth, AM/FM HD satellite prep radio, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and Bluetooth wireless audio streaming. Car and Driver writes, "So far, the engine's willing thrust and the transmission's wieldy flexibility have been a joy to exercise. Nothing short of remarkable. Every element evokes a distinct sense of luxury, intelligent engineering, and performance. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today." Stop in or contact us today. We're conveniently located at 1195 Cobb Pkwy South in Marietta.